Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. And of course, general reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. And another reminder, hindi po ako magme-message or magpa-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Okay? So let's begin. Gemini. Next 7 days for Gemini. Okay. Uy, healing. Ayan, Chiron. Some of you are healing from a broken heart or nandun ka sa point na you have realized na it's time to move on. Maaring may mga pinapatawad ka na, no? Pwedeng sarili mo or ibang tao. Because you want to start fresh. Kasi mahirap din naman na, you've been carrying the pain for a long time. Tapos, hindi naman yun nakakabuti para sa'yo, sa well-being mo. So, might as well go through the healing process. So, pwede yung iba rito, this is physical healing kung nagkasakit kayo ng mga nakaraan. So, you're healing from that in the next 7 days. And then, you also have water energy, which is about your feelings. You are feeling more. You are connecting more with your emotions. So, yung iba sa inyo, in the next 7 days, can be a bit emotional. Like, parang you are expressing your feelings more. Maaring meron kang mga taong kakausapin na kung saan mag-open up ka sa kanila ng nararamdaman mo, ng mga pinagdaanan mo. And that's okay, no? Kasi, syempre, kailangan din natin ng outlet. Kailangan din natin ilabas yan. Dahil mas mabigat kapag dinadala mo lang yan sa loob at hindi mo siya na-express. Okay? And then, you have waning gibbous. So, this is gratitude. Ang ganda nitong energy na to kasi you are still grateful, thankful sa blessings na meron ka. Regardless kung ano man yung challenges or mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan mo. You are counting your blessings. And dahil doon, mas nakikita mo yung magagandang bagay sa buhay mo na, ay, ito pala, kailangan maging thankful ako kasi nandito pa rin to sa akin. No? Like, you have a good job, you have a relationship with someone na you really care about. So, anything na you can be grateful for, yun yung bibigyan mo rin ng focus and attention. So, let's see your overall energy in the next 7 days. Temperance. So, this is enlightenment. Maaring in the next 7 days, you are going to stand still. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka masyadong yung parang sabihin ko, hindi ka masyadong magkikikilos. It's about taking your time. No? Pwede kasing, yung iba gusto nagmamadalig na dapat ganito na, dapat mangyari na to. But, alam nyo ba, meron kasing power in stillness na the more na ikaw ay nakocompose mo yung sarili mo, kalmado ka, the more na nakakapag-isip ka ng makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay? Now, let's see your challenge. The Ace of Cups, this is creation. So, some of you, maaring meron kayong idea, like a new project that you want to start. So, of course, hindi naman natin minamadali, no? But if you feel like you are ready, then you have the opportunity to start that. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong patatawarin or meron sa inyong, meron kayong hihinga ng tawad. So, if you feel like you really need to do that, na walang pumipilit sa'yo, then do it. Kasi makakabuti yan para sa'yo. Now, your opportunity is the two of Pentacles. So, as an opportunity, this is about multitasking, maraming trabaho. So, career-wise or sa resources mo, you have a lot on your plate. So, pwedeng maging busy ka in the next 7 days. Or, meron ka rin pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, may opportunity ka to finally choose the direction na tatahakin mo when it comes to your career or yung path na for your business or yung source of income mo, because this is about Pentacles. So finally, makakapili ka na, no? Some of you naman, you also have the opportunity na mag-multitask, na kumbaga ma-manage mo yung mga importanteng bagay sa buhay mo nang walang nasa-sacrifice. Now, the blessing is the Emperor. Uy, ang ganda nito as a blessing. This is about your power. This is about leadership. So, maaring meron kang blessing na leadership role sa trabaho, sa career, or even you being able to lead your life na walang nakikialam sa life mo. 'Di ba? You can be a leader in your own life, of course, because ganun naman dapat talaga na walang nakikialam. This is also a blessing of stability, no? And also meron kang power to make things happen, no? Parang magawa mo yung makuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. If you will only plan for it, kailangan din pinagpaplanuhan. Now, your focus is the Knight of Cups. You will focus on what you love, what you are passionate about. Na kumbaga, hindi mo i-involve ang sarili mo sa isang bagay, sitwasyon, or tao na wala doon yung puso mo. So, kung ano man yung passion mo, nandoon, yun yung focus mo. Where your passion is. Okay? Let's see what else for Gemini. Thunderbolt. So, yung iba sa inyo, magkakaroon kayo ng fresh ideas. Alam niyo yung parang eureka moment na, oh my God, this is a great idea na pwedeng makatulong sa negosyo mo, career path mo, or this can be a solution, no, sa inaayos mong issue. You also have energy ng Spider. So, Spider is about trusting yourself, being precise, being detail-oriented. So, yung mga plano mo ay, yung mga goals mo, may plano siya. Hindi lang siya yung parang suntok sa buwan na, ito yung goal ko, pero wala kang plano kung paano mo yun mararating. So, yun yung isa rin sa bibigyan mo ng attention in the next 7 days. You also have the Sky. Sky is the limit. So, this is about expansion. Maaring meron kang pinapaunlad. This can be your mind, your abilities, your skill set, or pwedeng sa physical world, no? Meron kang i-renovate na bahay or a place. You are more inspired in the next 7 days to make things happen para sa iyong mga pangarap. Okay? Kumbaga, mas madalas kang mag-imagine. And some of you, this is about your manifestation. Of course, manifestation requires action. If you put action, and then definitely it will manifest. Uy, merong growth pag unlad. Evolution starts when you leave your comfort zone, get comfortable with being uncomfortable. That's true. Kasi pag masyado ng komportable yung sitwasyon, ibig sabihin parang wala nang pag-unlad doon. So, it's time to get out of your comfort zone. Ito yung power, The ability to suck it up is not a superpower. Saying no is own your power. Yes, hindi porket sinabi nila na, ito yung gagawin mo na, kahit hindi mo naman gusto. So, you have the power to say no. Kung ano man yung gusto mo, dun ka mag-say yes. Pero kung ayaw mo, you will say no. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.